Hello everyone, I'm Elf M.D, and today we are going to perform a quick, fun surgery to transform our baby elf into a toddler. This entire project will only take about 5 minutes. You will need a small piece of stiff plastic, a hot glue gun, sharp scissors, felt or fabric for the new clothes. Let's get started. First, let's prepare for the surgery. Gently take off the elf's clothes and set them safely aside. Now, take your scissors, or whatever you prefer to call your surgical tool, and we're going to make a careful incision. Cut the elf right across the middle of its torso, separating the top and bottom halves. Next, take your plastic. We need to cut a strip that is about 2.5 inches long. Roll this strip tightly into a tube shape. This tube will be our extension. Now we use the hot glue gun to secure the tube. Glue the plastic tube securely to the bottom half of the elf. Glue the top half onto the extension. In just a few minutes, the bodywork is complete. Our elf is ready, and the surgery was a great success. The new wardrobe. The final step is the new clothes. Take the elf's old outfit and use it as a pattern. But make sure to add 1 inch of length to the torso section to accommodate the new height. You can use a nice blanket stitch to close the seams, or if you prefer, you can use fabric glue. And finally, don't forget to transfer the Velcro closure from the old outfit to your new one. Cut Velcro pieces. Now, turn the outfit inside out and glue Velcro to the clothes. It's done. Put on his clothes. Cute. I love it. Thank you for watching. Our little elf is now a toddler. Have a great day, and see more videos about Christmas elf fun.